Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Sound and Vibration. This is where Redmi groups call, media, and D&D controls. Once done, scroll to Do Not Disturb. Don't confuse it with silent mode because D&D blocks notifications but can allow important calls. You'll see a master toggle and schedule options. Toggle now to test. Make sure to unlock profiles or parental locks first, because restricted access can hide D&D settings and prevent changes. Next, configure rules to match your routine. Tap the schedule option and pick start and end times. This automates D&D for sleep or meetings. Then choose repeat days so the phone doesn't re-enable itself unexpectedly. Once set, move to exceptions and allow alarms or favorite contacts if you still want critical alerts. Make sure to test by enabling D&D for 1 hour and asking a trusted contact to call. This verifies your exceptions work the way you expect. Finally, refine advanced options to control vibration, visual disturbances, and media sounds during D&D. This fine-tunes how intrusive alerts are. If you prefer only essential contacts, switch to priority only and pick apps or people who can override D&D. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone and check for MIUI updates, because OS bugs can block D&D. If problems persist, reset notification permissions for specific apps. That usually clears permission conflicts and restores expected D&D behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.